Alright, doing this, just checking out this unit. Filter is clean, that's the size here. I just about to get started. I just wrote that in there. Then I gotta look at that one over there. So I'm just gonna open it up here, check the capacitor, and blow out the drain lines. Get some delta T's. Yeah, and get started. Alright, so I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna put this bucket right under there. So this is the primary drain. So I'm gonna blow this bad boy out, as you can see. Yeah, see, it's full of water. So I'm gonna blow it out here, put a cap here, and just blow it out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, because it looks like they've been having this issue already. See how they got the unions or the couplings here? What I'm gonna do is put a union somewhere in here like that, so they can, or here somewhere, and or here, so they can unscrew it and blow it out instead of keep doing couplings after couplings and getting charged. So you can see that's 3 couplings already. So yeah, so I'll put it here, I'll cut it here, let the water drain out, and then just blow it out that way, and get the shop vac and suck this in here and everything. All right. So when I lift this up, you'll see all this water.
Oh, and that should be draining.
Yeah. So, like I mentioned, I see you had it before because you got 1, 2, 3 couplings. So it looked like they were just cutting, putting back. You know, they're probably blowing it out. But this is what I would recommend. All you gotta do, just lift it open, spread the, open up the pipe and then just blow it out. Or you can vacuum, one of the two.
Say the last part again, vacuum?
Yeah, so you can either blow it out or suck whatever slime. Yeah, because it's going to be like this.
With like a shop vac?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll be a lot easier.
The sink in the garage is like over there.
Okay. Let's see. And this one. And if you look down there, you have all that slime.
This
So I'll
runs
put
this way too.
Yeah, so this pipe is going somewhere out that way. So I'll put one of those unions right here, so in case you ever have an issue.
Okay.
So it looked like this one's never happened, but I can, with that slime and all that in there. Yeah.
Well, I'll go check the utility sink in the garage anyways.
So it's going out this way, so wherever. So it's this white pipe right here, this one. So wherever that one's going, it's going somewhere over here.
Is that it there?
Yeah.
Do they go together?
That's going together.
Well, I mean, that one I showed you outside, that one leaks. It runs. So it's got to be from here, yeah?
Because that's kind of sucky if they tie these two together like that.
Isn't that what's happening, right? Yeah, this just comes this way.
Yeah, they're sharing that pipe. That's not good. Oh, that's exactly what is that? Yeah, that's coming this way. Well, definitely, that's not right. If you got this pitch going down, yeah, that's not right.
Something must go to that sink, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Pretty gnarly. Looks like the drains are all connected to each other. It's pretty crazy. draining the water right now. But it's crazy. It looks like, so from over here, this looks like it's going pitch back into the unit, so it should be down more. Anyways, but this is your primary. Right here goes here. It goes there to that one. So that's that one here. So it goes over there, and then 90's over. That's right there. And then right there, that's a 2-inch. So it's this one. So it comes here. Keep following it, and then it goes up here. So if I lift it, yeah, see? It's here, and then goes underneath, and it just ties into that one. Well, that's definitely a first for me. Shit. So I don't even know where I'm gonna see when I blow it out where the air's gonna go. But yeah, that's pretty gnarly. See, I blew it and it came out this way. So yeah, they got an issue. We're gonna have to give them a quote or something to redo these drain lines. So yeah, that's not good. Huh, interesting. Never seen that before. So this is, for right now, this is going to be the best thing I can do for them. Just put the union and give them the price for the redo the drain line. Alright, so I wrote in there on the unions, open and close. So if I go this way, is to open it. Go the other way is to close it. There you go, boom. It won't be so hard for the next time. Alright, so I did the other unit over here. So I put a ball valve for the union, marked it again, the direction how to open and close this. So I put this here because until they get it fixed, and if somebody comes and blows it out, they can close this here, and then the water doesn't have to come out and make a mess. See? But they definitely need to get this drain line situation under control or fix. So for the meantime, ball valve, they can just poop, and then they can open it here, blow out, suck out, however they want to do it. But yeah, so far that's the options they got. Alright, so I just got done opening this unit up, and it looks like there's oil here. So I don't know if it's from the capacitor or it might be from the fan. So you can see splatter spots. So bear with me, guys. I'm just taking pictures while I'm recording if I can show the homeowner. All right. Okay. The filter's clean. This unit's still alive because it has the tape, but just trying to be careful over here. All right. So I just turned on the upstairs unit, so this is the one that kicked on. So I'm just going to take some pressure or some temperature and go from there. Alright, so taking the delta T, so I got 53 here. Let's check this bad boy right here. Almost what, 53, almost 1920. All right, so I'll take that. So I'm gonna jump on this one next. So that's the downstairs one. This one is the upstairs. I should probably write it here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. AC1. Yeah, I'm gonna put upstairs, downstairs.